Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Manoj Kumar Pandey, Department of Zoology, Ganga Singh College, Chhapra. We are going to discuss a very important topic, that is vitamins and related disorders, which is vital segment of BSc Part 2 Zoology Honors. So, first of all, history of vitamins. In the year 1911, Funk, a Polish biochemist, coined the term vitamin to designate the anti-beriberi factor. In the term vitamin, vita suggests the essential nature of the factor and amine indicates the chemical structure. Later, the same term was used for several unknown dietary factors. Not all the known factors have the amine structure. Therefore, in the 1919, the last E from the vitamin was discontinued from use, thereby removing the implication of chemical structure. Vitamins can be described as accessory food factors which are essential for some metabolic reactions within the cell and which must be provided in the diet in minute amounts. In many animals, the vitamin cannot be synthesized by body. Certain amides do synthesize a few vitamins in very minute quantities, but they fall short of requirements. In any case, the animals should produce them through food. Vitamin deficiency results in several disease characteristics of each vitamin deficiency. Vitamins are a special group of organic substances which are chemically unrelated. They may be organic acids, amines, amino acids, esters, alcohol, steroids, etc. These vitamins are traditionally divided into two subgroups on the basis of their solubility properties, such as water-soluble vitamin and fat-soluble vitamin. Water-soluble vitamin, vitamin C and B complexes are water-soluble vitamins. So, vitamins are organic compounds that are required in small amounts in our diet, but their deficiency causes specific diseases. Most of the vitamins cannot be synthesized in our body, but plants can synthesize almost all of them. So they are considered as essential food factors. All the vitamins are generally available in our diet. Different vitamins belong to various chemical classes and it is difficult to define them on the basis of structure. They are generally regarded as organic compounds required in the diet in small amounts to perform a specific biological function for normal maintenance of optimum growth and health of the organism. Vitamins are designated by alphabets A, B, C, D, etc. Some of them are further named as subgroups, that is B1, B2, B6, B12, etc. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C helps the body to fight against many diseases. Vitamin C gets easily destroyed by heat during cooking. While the later work showed that most of them didn't contain amino groups, so the letter E was dropped and the term vitamin is used this day. Fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamins which are soluble in the fat and oils but insoluble in water are kept in this group. These are vitamin A, D, E and K. They are stored in liver and adipose, fat-storing tissue. Water-soluble vitamins. B group vitamins and vitamin C are soluble in water, so they are grouped together. Water-soluble vitamins must be supplied regularly in diet because they are readily excreted in urine and cannot be stored, except vitamin B12 in our body. What are deficiency diseases? A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. If this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause disease or disorders in our body. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. Vitamin A, this vital micronutrient is found in a range of different foods including carrots, spinach, broccoli, milk, egg, liver and fish. It plays an important role in vision. Lack of vitamin A is common cause of blindness. Reproduction and growth and the functioning of healthy. Immune system, it play a key role in the development of white blood cells. Worldwide, about 5 million children under the age of 5 are affected by xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia is a serious eye disorder caused by vitamin A deficiency. These children are at risk of becoming blind and are more likely to die of common childhood diseases. Folate, it is also known as folic acid. This is a generic term for group of B vitamins, including folic acid and naturally occurring. Folic acid is a synthetic folate compound used in vitamin supplements and fortified food because of its increased stability. Folates are found in eggs, dairy products, asparagus, orange juice, dark green leafy vegetables, beans and brown bread. They play a key role in the metabolism of amino acids and the production of proteins. The synthesis of nucleic acid, the molecules that carry genetic information in the cells, and the formation of blood cells. Iodine. Seaweed and fish are rich sources, but in many countries the addition of iodine, known as iodization, to salt is an important source. Iodine is one of the most important elements required by the developing fetus due to its effect on brain development. Now, iron. Iron has a number of key functions within the body. It acts as a carrier for oxygen from the lungs to the body's tissue. It does so in the form of hemoglobin, and it also integral to the working of various tissue through the role that it plays in enzymatic reaction. Iron deficiency ultimately leads to iron deficiency anemia, the most common cause of anemia, a condition in which the blood lacks healthy red blood cells required to carry oxygen and which results in morbidity and death. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, perhaps more than any other vitamin, has long been a favorite of those claiming that certain nutrients can prevent cancer and other chronic diseases. The problem with most studies of vitamin C as a cancer preventive is that foods rich in vitamin C also contain other nutrients, fiber, vitamin A and vitamin E, for example, that may have a protective effect as well. Vitamin D. Vitamin D's main purpose is to increase the amount of calcium in the body and thus increase the amount of calcium that goes into bones. The vitamin does this in several ways. First, it boosts the intestine's ability to absorb calcium from digested food. In addition, vitamin D improves the kidney's capacity to recycle calcium that might otherwise pass from the bloodstream into the urine. Thus, it is not surprising that scientists have been looking for a connection between inadequate consumption of vitamin D and two bones diseases, osteoporosis and osteomalacia. Now, riboflavin. For over 30 years, scientists have suspected that low level of riboflavin may increase the risk of developing cancer of the esophagus. Although no definite connection has ever been made, a number of studies suggest that low levels of riboflavin may allow alcohol or substances in chewing tobacco to promote cancer of the esophagus. So, if you drink alcoholic beverage or chew tobacco, make sure your diet contains some riboflavin-rich foods. Deficiency disease. Deficiency disease, a person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. Now, disorders. Vitamin A causes night blindness. Vitamin B1 causes beriberi. Vitamin B2 araboflavinosis. Vitamin B3 causes pellagra. Vitamin B5 causes paresthesia. Vitamin B6 anemia. Similarly, vitamin B6 causes dermatitis or enteritis. Vitamin B9 and vitamin B12 megaloblastic anemia. Vitamin C scurvy, swelling of gums. Vitamin D rickets and osteomalacia. Vitamin E less fertility. Vitamin K non-clotting of blood. So here is a table showing disease, disorder and symptoms. Vitamin A, the deficiency of vitamin C causes loss of vision, or symptoms are poor vision, loss of vision in darkness. Vitamin B1 causes beriberi, and the symptoms are weak muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin C causes scurvy, and the symptoms are bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. Vitamin D causes rickets and symptoms are bones become soft and bent. Calcium deficiency causes bone and tooth decay and the symptoms are weak bones, tooth decay. Iodine causes goiter and the symptoms are glands in the neck appear swollen. So these are the disease, disorder and symptoms related to vitamins and their deficiency. Thank you very much.